Hello everybody. I am Ted Lin and my student ID is I25035399. Today I will present about the IT infrastructure landscape for quality software SDN BHD. Welcome to our quality software SDN BHD, one of the top companies providing IT services and software solutions in Malaysia. The company deals with the development of software programs, application management, and IT management. The IT infrastructure can be said to form the backbone of any successful organization today. It is made up of computer hardware, software, and information systems, which all combine to provide effective services. In quality software SDN BHD, the various obstacles we come across include the growth in data volume, the requirement for high availability, security risks, and scalability. Now let's discuss the storage infrastructure. We employ a variety of storage devices that fall under the category of enterprise storage. These include magnetic storage devices, which include HDDs and offer high capacity, optical storage devices for storing information for a longer period of time, and solid-state storage devices, which include SSDs, offering fast performance and high speed. In order to safeguard our data, we incorporate RAID technology. For fast networking, we use fiber channel technology. In terms of our storage system, we have included storage virtualization for optimal utilization of resources, zoning for better security measures, and complete SAN or storage area network for centralized and efficient storage operations. The infrastructure used in our network makes use of various network topologies and devices such as switches, routers, and firewalls to link all of the systems. Routing and switching theories are employed in order to facilitate effective data movement within the system, while VLAN is used to break down the traffic. When it comes to securing networks as well as information, the use of cryptographic methods such as symmetric key cryptography and asymmetric key cryptography are used. The strategy that we follow to protect our information is based on confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Now let us consider directory services and identity management. Directory services are utilized to centrally administer all users, devices, and resources in the organization. Rather than managing the users individually within each individual server, a single directory is being used to manage them. This is made possible through the use of LDAP protocol, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. This is a standard and efficient means of accessing and administrating the directory services. There are three critical components within the LDAP system. They are: information model, which keeps all the information about the users, groups, and resources. Naming model, which provides structure to the information and organizes it into a hierarchical manner. And lastly, the security model, which ensures that only authorized individuals gain access to the information. This centralized process makes the management of users secure and efficient for quality software SDN BHD. Let us look at applications and middleware. Our software program that we develop is based on the architecture of layered development. Here, our software program will be segmented into three main layers. They include the presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. The middleware forms an essential part of our architecture. This component acts as an intermediate layer that facilitates interaction among different components such as applications, operating systems, databases, and more. Middleware helps in integrating, messaging, and transaction handling between multiple systems. Web-tier application is implemented in our organization as we make our applications available via web browsers. Furthermore, we have our OLTP applications where our system handles live transactions like processing orders and other transactions. In relation to reporting, we utilize dimensional modeling based on the star schema approach, a data modeling approach that simplifies the reporting process. Last but not least, we place extremely strong importance on ethics, standards, and professionalism in every single aspect of our IT infrastructure design at Quality Software SDN BHD. Whenever we make any decision related to technology, we always keep our ethical responsibilities in mind. We strongly believe that advanced technology must be used in a responsible and trustworthy way, especially because we handle sensitive client information every day. That is why we put immense emphasis on data privacy and security ethics throughout the entire organization. We strictly follow the well-known CIA triad principles, which form the foundation of information security. Let me explain each one clearly. First, confidentiality. This means we ensure that all sensitive data, such as our client source code, customer records, business secrets, and any other private information, is protected at the highest level. Only authorized personnel can access this data, and we never disclose or share any confidential information without explicit permission from the owner. Second, integrity. This principle guarantees that our data remains accurate, complete, and unchanged. We protect it from any unauthorized modification, tampering, or corruption so that our clients and our team can always trust the information they are working with. Third, availability. This ensures that our systems, services, and important data are always accessible and ready for use by authorized users whenever they need them. We design our infrastructure to prevent unnecessary downtime and to keep everything running smoothly even during peak times. In addition to following the CIA triad, we strictly follow international industry standards and best practices in every part of our IT infrastructure. This includes regular security audits, compliance with data protection regulations, and continuous improvement of our security policies. By doing this, we not only protect our clients' information but also build and maintain strong, long-term trust with them. At Quality Software SDN/BHD, ethics and professionalism are not just rules, they are part of our company culture. In summary, the proposed IT infrastructure framework for Quality Software SDN/BHD successfully brings together all the vital elements that have been presented in detail throughout this session, forming a complete, well-balanced, and highly effective system. We began by addressing the foundation with reliable storage solutions, including RAID configurations to provide data redundancy and protection against hardware failure, SAN for fast and efficient high-performance data access, and flexible cloud storage options that offer scalability and accessibility from anywhere while maintaining strong security. These storage capabilities are powerfully supported by robust servers running modern operating systems, enhanced through advanced virtualization technology. This approach allows us to make the best possible use of our hardware resources, significantly improve operational efficiency, lower energy consumption, and achieve noticeable cost reductions. Moving on to networking and security, the framework incorporates comprehensive protective measures such as end-to-end data encryption, VLAN segmentation to better control and isolate network traffic, firewalls, and multi-layered security protocols designed to defend against today's evolving cyber threats. In parallel, centralized directory services based on LDAP deliver secure, efficient user authentication, authorization, and management across the entire organization, simplifying administration while enhancing compliance. Our applications and middleware have been carefully designed using a flexible multi-tier architecture. This structure not only boosts system performance and responsiveness but also makes future maintenance easier and supports smooth integration of new services or technologies as needed. Importantly, all these technical components are guided by a strong commitment to sound IT ethics, which ensures responsible technology use, strict respect for data privacy, and the highest standards of integrity in every aspect of our operations. Taken as a whole, this interconnected and holistic approach delivers outstanding outcomes for Quality Software SDN/BHD, superior performance, exceptional reliability, robust and proactive security, and excellent long-term scalability. Consequently, the organization will enjoy numerous tangible benefits, including significantly faster service delivery to our clients, drastically minimized system downtimes, greatly enhanced protection of sensitive customer data, substantial cost savings realized through virtualization and strategic use of cloud computing, and the ability to scale our infrastructure seamlessly and efficiently in response to future business growth and evolving client demands. Thank you very much for your kind attention and for watching my presentation today. I am Ted-Ian Lin, and my student ID is I25035399. This concludes my presentation on the IT infrastructure framework for quality software SDN-BHD.